Hi, my name is Bruce Carson. I'm a realtor with the Keenan Carter Group with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast, and I'm coming to you today to talk about three important issues to think about before you list your house for sale. Number one, you're going to want to identify any liens or disputes. A lien or dispute would be something like a mechanic's lien. If you had someone come and work on your home and for some reason that person didn't get paid or felt they didn't get paid, they might put a lien on your house. So when you sell it, they get paid before you get paid. Also, maybe alimony, child support, there's just other issues. So think to yourself, is there anyone that might be trying to collect money that might have a lien or dispute on my house? Because that's going to definitely affect your net takeaway when you sell if those are there. Second, check with your loan company. You want to find out what's happening with your loan documents. A big question is your loan assumable? That means, can you give that loan to someone else? The bank may qualify and say, hey, you're going to buy Bruce's home. Well, we're going to let you use Bruce's loan as well. We're going to qualify you. That way you could take over the terms of my loan and move on from there. You also want to know who is on your loan. Is there another signer? Or how is your name listed on the loan? Do you have to sign your middle name, an initial? Is it a trust? We really need to know exactly how your house is listed. And then for your own benefit, so you know your net takeaway, you're going to want to know what your loan balance is before you decide to sell. You can always get that information from your bank. Then third, take stock in your house. Make a decision. California sales are as is sales, but it is customary to see requests for repairs and to see sellers fixing up homes for buyers. So as a seller, you can fix up your home ahead of time, do some work and avoid a request for repair. You can sell as is and say, forget it. I'm not going to do any work at all. What you see is what you get. Or you can be prepared to do some negotiating during the escrow process, which most people do. Either way, those three things, make a decision, and then your final decision, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to call me or call the Keenan Carter Group at Keller Williams Realty Central Coast so we can list your home, come up with a great marketing plan and price, and get you on your way. Thanks so much. Bye now.